What's going on, guys? Mac Cubes here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my new PowerMac G4 Cube. This G4 Cube has a 450 MHz G4 processor, 256 megabytes of RAM, a Rage 128 Pro, and a 60 GB hard drive. The G4 Cube had a few main features that really made it stand out. First was the interesting 8-inch cube design. It's really unique, and the only cutout that's in the machine is down here for all of your wires coming from the back of the computer. Another thing was the fact that the DVD-ROM drive was in the front on the top of the machine, which means the DVDs came out of the top. And, of course, the touch-sensitive power button. There was also the fact that the Cube was not cooled by any fans, so as Steve Jobs put it, it runs virtually silent, except for the fact that there's an extremely loud 20 GB hard drive in it by stock, which has since been upgraded by me to a 60 GB drive, which is extremely quiet, well, at least for a drive of its age is extremely quiet. In the world of I/O, there's a VGA port, ADC, two USB 1.1s, a modem, the power jack, which uses a proprietary connector, 10100 Ethernet, two FireWire 400s, and a programmer's and a reset switch. So one of the most innovative parts about the Cube was how you got to the internals, which was by pushing this little lever, and out lifts everything. And then you're left with the acrylic housing and everything inside the Cube, which you can see there's a graphics card and the RAM right here. You can see the end of the hard drive, the rest of the RAM, here, and battery. On the other side, the airport card and the VRM board. Well, this is where the airport card would go. And then on this side, there's the DVD-ROM drive, but that's covered by a little faceplate. So it's extremely easy to access the internal components on the Cube, and that's really what made this so unique. Slides right back in, push the lever, and you're back in business once you're done upgrading or changing stuff around. Another interesting thing about the Cube was the fact that it actually contained a slot for an 8mm fan. I think it's 8mm. But it contains a slot for a fan, so you can add it if you want. This is probably kept in mind for later down the line, where Apple would probably put more powerful CPUs in these. But since companies like Sonnet made upgrades, the fan is basically required, because running at 1+ gigahertz with no fan is absolutely crazy. Thank you guys for watching this video, and this has been a tour and overview of my new PowerMac G4 Cube. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.